2019 GMC Yukon XL. GMC Yukon XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, tow hitch, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, remote engine start, traction control, power liftgate, backup camera, DVD system, lane departure warning, navigation system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, floor mats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.